Hey everybody, this is Anthony from Into the Darkroom, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about the ITDR admin in the back of WordPress that's going to control all your design options for your Lyra blog template. So we're going to go ahead and go to the back end of WordPress, and at the bottom here is the ITDR admin, and we're going to click on that, and that is going to show you some of the options you have in here. And we cover some of the other options in other videos, but if you click on the header here, one of the things that we don't cover in the other videos is this border. So if you want to turn this border on or off, you're going to do that right here. So you can use the header border, true or false, and you can determine if you want this header on all the pages or not. So you can have it so it carries throughout all the pages, and you can just say true or false here. So you can go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to go ahead and go to the design tab now. We're going to go over some of these design options. So you can set the width of the blog right here, so the blog width, and then you have the logo. So you can upload a logo, and you can have that logo be centered left or right. So you can change the position of that. We uploaded a transparent ping so that the background shows through, and I recommend that you do that if you want to use our background or one of your own backgrounds. And then you have items like the line color, and that's going to refer to this dotted line here. You're going to see that carried throughout in different elements right there. And then you have the sub-navigation background color. So if you roll over something, it's the white color that's behind that navigation text. And then you have the header arrows, which refer to these arrows right here on the images. And then you have the social icon color. So let's go ahead and scroll down, and you'll see that the social icon colors are down here. And then the next item down is the form fields, and that's going to apply to the contact form. So if we go ahead and we go over to the contact page, and you look at the form fields, you have the form field right here, which is the white part. You have the border that goes around it, and then the last thing on this list is the space between post images. So you can actually set the pixel height that's between the post images. So the next thing that we want to talk about is fonts. Now, our fonts are really flexible. You can upload your own fonts, and we talk about this in another video, but I'll touch on it briefly. If you want to find a font to upload, you can go ahead and click here, and it gives you a site that has just tons of fonts where you can download a zip file and upload it. And you just got to look through here, find the font that you like, and go ahead and click Get Kit. And one thing to note is that all these fonts are developed by third-party designers, so most of them work great. Some of them don't work great, but most of them do. So you just want to trial and error and kind of test them out when you're playing with them. But you'll just download the font, and then you'll upload it like we did here. And you have all of your options. If you don't use a font, we have these serif and sans serif fallbacks, and then we have the colors and the sizes all in here too. So you have the navigation, and you have all the headers and all the different font options in that tab, and then you have the background. So you can use this designer theme that we have in right here. So you can turn that on by clicking true, or turn it off by clicking false. You can change the color of the background. So if you turn that background off, you can have the top color be one color and the bottom color be another, and so there's a top color and a bottom, and they'll just blend into each other. You can make them both the same color so that there's no blend. It's just one big solid color back there. And then you have the option to upload your own background image here. So if you wanted to use your own graphic, you can do that as well. And if you use your own graphic, you can determine if you want to tile it, horizontally tile it, fill frame, and things like that. So you can put an image back there, or you can put a graphic that can be tiled. That is the general idea of how the design tab works. It's really simple. You can get in there and really quickly change up your site and brand it the way that you need it to be branded. And I hope if you have any questions, you'll contact us through support, and I appreciate you watching. Thanks.